time, space, and everything in it. Before any of this existed, Allah already knew everything that would ever happen, every leaf falling, every star dying, and every choice ever made. Which brings us to the ultimate theological mind-bender. If Allah is all-knowing, and He knew from the absolute beginning that Iblis, Satan, would completely refuse His command and dedicate his existence to misleading humanity, why create him? Why put an agent of pure chaos on the board? The answer isn't a design flaw, it's a core feature of the universe. Let's look at the 3 reasons why this cosmic setup actually unlocks the entire purpose of your existence. First up, the chemistry of choice. Allah created angels to obey automatically. Think of them as perfectly coded celestial software. No glitching, no disobeying. He created animals to follow raw instinct. But here is a logical reality. For choice to actually exist, options must exist. You cannot choose light if darkness isn't on the menu. You cannot claim to choose honesty if a lie isn't an option. Satan wasn't created to be evil. He was a being with free will who chose arrogance. By letting him stick around and whisper temptations, Allah created the perfect testing ground. When you choose to do good despite an easy temptation to do wrong, your action suddenly has massive value. Without the friction, the victory means nothing. Reason number 2, the spiritual gym. Look at it this way. An athlete doesn't get strong by lifting feathers. They need resistance. Heavy weights build muscle. Satan's whispers are the weights. Every time you push back, your faith muscle gets stronger. But what happens when you fail? Because, let's be real, we all stumble. This is where the real magic happens. Satan's existence acts as a catalyst that drives us toward Allah's most beautiful attribute, Al-Ghaffar, the constantly forgiving. Think of the contrast. Satan sinned and got arrogant. Prophet Adam sinned, realized his mistake, and turned back in humility. Without the struggle against temptation, we would never experience the profound soul-healing beauty of sincere repentance. Reason number 3, the grand sorting method. Allah's attributes are perfect. He is the most just, the most merciful. But for justice and mercy to manifest, there has to be a real-world scenario where they apply. Satan is the ultimate separator of the sincere from the insincere. Think about the prophets, the heroes, the everyday people who fight their own greed to help others. Their goodness is proven because they conquered the whispers of selfishness. Allah knew Satan would rebel, but He also knew that you would choose to fight back. He created a stage where human excellence can truly shine. Here is the ultimate reassurance. Satan is not an equal opposing power to God. He is a bounded creation on a very short leash. He has zero authority to force you to do anything. He can only invite. You hold the steering wheel. Satan was allowed to exist so that your journey back to paradise would be a genuine, hard-won victory. The choices are yours, and the doors of mercy are always open. Drop a comment below with your thoughts. Hit that subscribe button for more fast-paced breakdowns, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.